Hello all, welcome to the channel SOSS Gaming. In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the thumbsticks on an Xbox One controller with original Xbox thumbsticks. A link to this kit will be in the description below, so be sure to check that out if you don't already have one. Once we've got everything out, we'll be able to start with the installation. Luckily for us, it's a pretty quick one. You'll be able to get back to gaming in no time. Ultimately, we need to remove the front cover, which is held on by 5 screws, so to access them, I'll first pry off the handles with the prying tool. If you haven't done this yet, it may take a little bit of extra force because there's usually a little bit of tape that also holds them on. After that, you can remove the battery cover and batteries to access one of the screws behind the manufacturer's sticker. In this case, someone already made a hole. Well, that was me, and you could also do that, but if you care about the warranty or the looks of it, you can just peel the sticker upward past where the screw is and get to it that way. After we remove the 5 screws, we're now able to remove the front cover, and voila, we can swap out the thumbsticks. After we swap them out, it's as simple as putting everything back together. If you found this video helpful at all, please consider giving it a like and perhaps even subscribing. I anticipate making many more helpful videos in the future. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.